In this video, we are going to see about ultrasonic imaging system. Imaging system is nothing but a imaging system which helps to scan a internal soft tissues in our human body. How the ultrasonic imaging system is done? It is with the help of ultrasound energy, which is created by some transducer with the help of some mechanical vibration. Through the vibration of a crystal, it can produce ultrasound energy, the frequency range of 1 to 15 MHz, which can travel through our human soft tissues and reach the tissues and internal body organs. Ultrasonic imaging system is also known as ultrasonography. Ultrasonography is a technique in which the ultrasonic energy is used to detect the internal body organs and soft tissues. As a wave, ultrasonic wave, it can travel through the soft tissues so that it can meet the different types of tissues and interface between two tissues. It is known as acoustic impedance. When the wave travels through the body, it will reach some tissues and it can also pass through the tissues and meet some other tissues. So that interface between the two tissues is known as acoustic impedance. Then the tissue will produce an echo. Some tissues will produce some range of frequency not to pass through them and make to go back to the transducer, return to the transducer. So here the transducer can take the ultrasonography, that is ultrasound energy, back to the transducer and it will convert the electrical energy. So this is the basic ultrasonographic transducer. It is used to create a ultrasound energy. This transducer can act in both types. It will, with the help of electrical energy, it will produce a ultrasound energy and pass it to the human tissues. The human tissues will reflect this ultrasound energy back to the transducer. At the time, the transducer will convert the ultrasound energy into electrical energy. On the construction of ultrasound energy, it having the US probe model. The probe is like some semi-cylindrical model. This helps to produce a transducer. Outside part of the transducer is made of plastic case, which helps to act as a non-conducting material. Inside that, the metal shield is given to detect and produce the wave efficiently and take it to the transducer and to the matching layer. Metal shield is act as a shielding guard to this transducer. Inside that, there is a piezoelectric element which will produce the ultrasound energy when it start vibrate. As the electrical energy is given to the piezoelectric element, so that it start vibration, mechanical vibration is done in the piezoelectric element, then the ultrasound energy is produced. The ultrasound energy is taken to the outside of the transducer and taken to the body tissues with the help of matching layer. So the matching layer should be in same impedance, should match the piezoelectric element produced ultrasound energy. So it acts as a best interface between the human soft tissues and the piezoelectric element. The backing block and the acoustic absorber. Above the backing block, it is known as damping block, which helps for mainly two things. That is for controlling the impedance of the material, so that with the help of this we can produce the required frequency range of the ultrasound energy, and also the produced sound wave is totally absorbed. When it travels in backside, it is totally absorbed by the backing block material, that is this material, backing block material. The produced piezoelectric energy will produce ultrasound energy. Piezoelectric element will produce ultrasound energy. It is taken forward to the matching layer. The matching layer will take the wave to the soft tissues when the wave travel in the backside, this backing block material will absorb the wasted ultrasonic energy. It will not let the energy to pass away from this material. And also the acoustic absorber acts as a soundproof room, that it also controls the unwanted waves that is traveling in backside of the transducer. See, this matching layer is a better with a better resolution and impedance, so that it will help for better transmission of that produced ultrasound energy. On the crystal thickness, the wave will be produced also depends on the crystal thickness. If the thicker the crystal, then the produced frequency will be lower and it can penetrate to high distance, but the output resolution of a picture will be less. The scanned portion of the soft tissues will be less. If the produced frequency is high, it can pass through only low distance and the resolution of that scanned tissue or organ will be high. Based on this, there are different types of construction transducer. We can construct a transducer in different types. They are linear, sector and convex layer. In linear type, we can place more piezoelectric elements side by side. We can take more number of sliced piezoelectric element which is placed side by side, so that it will vibrate without striking each other. That will produce a ultrasound energy in the form of rectangular format. It helps to take the scanning portion of large portion of our tissues or organs. In the sector type transducer, the 1 or 2 or 3 crystals are taken or used in the transducer, which will produce a ultrasound energy through mechanically or electrically, so that it is used for taking the scanning area from smaller to larger portion. In the convex array layer, the convex array layer helps to take the picture of small portion of the body with the form of curvilinear fashion. That is, the likewise in the linear transducer, elements are arranged side by side in a sliced manner, so that the produced ultrasound energy is in a curvilinear fashion, and the output in the screen can be viewed as trapezoidal manner. Based on the arrangement and design of a transducer, every different type of transducer will produce different types of ultrasound image, ultrasound waves manner. Ultrasound wave manner will be differentiated through these types of transducer, so that it helps for scanning small or bigger portion of the organs. This is the overall block diagram of our ultrasonic imaging system. First, we can start from a transducer. Transducer here will act as a ultrasound producing material. It will produce ultrasound, make the wave to travel to the tissues, and the tissues will be reflected by the human tissues, and it will come back to the transducer. Here the transducer will take the ultrasound energy and convert it back to the electrical energy, and the converted electrical energy is taken to the TGC. TGC is nothing but the time gain compensation. It acts as an amplifier. The reflected wave which is converted to electrical energy is taken to the TGC, which will be in low voltage. It will amplify that wave and take it to the beamformer. Beamformer here helps to produce a beam shaped tissue shaped picturized format. And the signal processing, the formed beam is processed clearly to visualize, and it will eliminate the noise. Only the beam shaped formed tissues will be processed, in the other things will be eliminated, and it is taken to the ADC. The ADC will make the conversion of A to D converter, so that it can be taken to the cable side. receiver cable easily. Analog wave is converted to digital format so that it is taken to the viewer format easily. In scan converter, the scan converter will make the digital signal to capable of displaying in the displaying screen, in which screen the doctor who is going to view the picture or scan the picture, so that scan converter will make that form. It is possible only to the scan converter. Scan converter will make the possible way to paste in the post processing unit, and finally the display unit will display the picture. The microprocessor will control the overall unit of the ultrasonic imaging system. The ultrasonic propagation will have different forms of, will take the waves in different formats, that the produced wave is sent into the body by applying a coupling gel, so that coupling gel will not waste any wave or not restrict any wave to enter into the body. As the sound passes through, the ultrasound energy passes through the soft tissues and reach the organs and interact with the organs and return back as echoes to the transducer. This is a basic working of ultrasound energy. Thank you.